As the crypto market gears up for what could be its most explosive year yet, savvy investors are setting their sights on the next big opportunities. In this video, we're diving into the top 8 altcoins primed to deliver mind-blowing 400x gains in 2025. For our first project, let's explore PokPok, an exciting GameFi project poised for explosive growth during this year's bull run. In Pokville, your mission is simple: raise profitable chickens and farm golden eggs. Get started by connecting your base browser wallet to game.pokpok.io. You will then be transported to the navigation map, the central hub of Pokville. In PokPok, every in-game action mirrors the life cycle of trading an option. To mint your first chicken, head over to the hatchery. Here is how it works. Select your currency, choose a call or put option, decide on a time frame for your trade and pick a payment plan. Then, mint your chicken. The coop is where you manage your trades. PokPok's payment model allows you to default on a trade at any stage, simply by not choosing to feed your chicken further. The farm is where you claim profits or stake your profitable chickens to farm golden eggs, aka PEG. The game introduces two types of options, each with its own unique mechanics and risk-reward profile. The first type is PAYG, or grass chickens. These options offer flexible payment terms, allowing players to stop paying premiums at any time if the market turns against them. This flexibility helps players cut their losses and manage risk more effectively. The second type is spreads, or water chickens. With spreads, players pay the full premium up front, making the option 3 times cheaper than PAYG. However, the trade-off is that the profit potential is capped, making it a more conservative choice for players who prefer stability over high-risk, high-reward scenarios. Once harvest day arrives, players have a decision to make. If their poks are healthy, they can harvest them for profit. Alternatively, they can choose to stake their poks in the farm. Staked poks lay golden eggs, which are represented by the in-game reward currency, PEGG. PEGG is a key component of the PokPok ecosystem, offering players a way to earn additional rewards. Currently, the APR for staking poks and earning PEG is an impressive 4,000%, making it a highly attractive option for players looking to maximize their returns. PEG serves multiple purposes within the PokPok ecosystem. It can be used to upgrade and enhance gameplay, traded externally, or redeemed for exclusive NFTs and other in-game assets. PokPok stands as an innovative and groundbreaking crypto project that seamlessly integrates DeFi with an immersive, semi-idle gaming experience designed to captivate and engage players. At its foundation, PokPok transforms players into virtual chicken farmers, empowering them to take control of a unique digital farming ecosystem, where they can nurture and trade special digital chickens known as poks. These poks are more than just virtual pets. They represent sophisticated tradable crypto options that hold tangible real-world value, bridging the gap between entertainment and financial opportunity. The project has been meticulously crafted to strike a perfect balance between enjoyable gameplay mechanics and lucrative financial potential, providing participants with multiple pathways to earn substantial rewards through thoughtful strategic decisions, careful resource management, and intelligent trading activities in the vibrant PokPok marketplace. In summary, PokPok is an innovative platform that bridges the gap between gaming and DeFi, offering players a truly unique and engaging experience. At its core, PokPok allows users to mint, manage, and trade digital chickens called poks, which represent tradable crypto options with real-world value. This dynamic fusion of entertainment and financial opportunity creates a compelling ecosystem that appeals to both casual gamers and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. What sets PokPok apart is its seamless integration of cutting-edge DeFi mechanics with interactive gameplay. This strategic flexibility ensures that players of all risk appetites can participate and thrive. By combining the thrill of gaming with the potential for real financial rewards, PokPok is poised to revolutionize the crypto gaming landscape. Whether you're looking to explore DeFi in a playful way or maximize your earnings through strategic gameplay, PokPok offers an experience like no other. PokPok has a market cap of only 2.5 million. We think that a market cap of at least 1 billion is possible in 2025. That is a beautiful 400x from here. As our first AI project, we would like to highlight a top AI agent project called Griffin. Griffin is an innovative platform that coordinates a network of AI agents designed to facilitate on-chain actions within the Solana blockchain ecosystem. Griffin's AI network comprises two primary agent types: personal agents and special agents. Personal agents are user-created and controlled, allowing for customization of instructions and memory updates. These agents can execute on-chain actions or search for pertinent information through predefined actions. It's essential for users to ensure their requests align with the agent's capabilities to prevent errors or unsupported actions. Special agents, developed by Griffin, are tailored to perform specific tasks and are accessible to early access users. Examples include Agent Baxis, Agent Blink, Agent On-Chain Holiday, Agent Sniper, and Agent Flipper, each designed to handle distinct functions within the ecosystem. The platform's user interface is designed to be intuitive, featuring a chat interface that allows users to interact with their AI agents effortlessly. Recent updates have improved this interface and enhanced agent capabilities, enabling better retrieval of on-chain data and execution of transactions. Operating on an invite-only basis for now, Griffin offers early access to users holding specific passes or tokens, such as the Early Access Pass or Griffin's Saga Genesis tokens. The platform's development and integration with Solana have been significantly influenced by Tony Placencia, a prominent figure in the blockchain and AI space. Placencia, known for his expertise and innovative vision, has been instrumental in fostering Griffin's synergy with Solana's high-performance infrastructure. His connection to Solana underscores the project's commitment to leveraging the blockchain's unparalleled speed and low transaction costs, ensuring that Griffin's AI agents operate efficiently and provide a cost-effective experience for users. Griffin has a market cap of $300 million. A market cap of at least $60 billion. This bull run is possible for this unique AI project and is exactly a 200x from here. Another gaming project we would like to highlight is called Metacade. Metacade is an ambitious gaming platform on BaseChain designed to unite gamers, developers, and blockchain enthusiasts in a shared digital space called Metacadia. It offers a GameFi ecosystem where users can play games, join tournaments, contribute to blockchain development, and invest in Web3 projects. The platform is built around four key areas: entertainment, builder, finance, and media, each catering to different user interests. At the heart of Metacade's gaming community is the Entertainment Quarter, where users enjoy cross-platform games and competitive tournaments, earning MCADE tokens as rewards. The Media Quarter serves as a resource hub, providing game reviews, leaderboards, and GameFi Alpha, insights into upcoming and innovative blockchain games. A standout feature is the Builder Quarter, which offers developers support and resources, including the MetaGrants program. This program funds developer-submitted projects based on community votes, empowering users to shape Metacade's game offerings and helping developers bring their ideas to life. Metacade also features an AI-driven marketing tool called Level Up. This tool helps partners and developers streamline engagement, manage communications, and distribute content effectively from a single dashboard. The Builder Quarter further supports new projects through its development incubator, technical consultancy, and education programs. Meanwhile, the Finance Quarter provides investment options in blockchain projects to fund the ecosystem's growth. By integrating blockchain and AI, Metacade enhances user engagement with personalized game recommendations and curated content tailored to individual interests. This community-driven approach, combined with BaseChain's fast, low-cost infrastructure, positions Metacade as a dynamic virtual hub, set to revolutionize how gaming communities interact in Web3 spaces. Metacade currently has a market cap of $30 million. We predict that Metacade will have a market cap of at least $8 billion in a bull run. That is an amazing 267x from here. Next up is Clearpool, a promising RWA project. Clearpool is the first decentralized credit marketplace worldwide, originating hundreds of millions of loans through its DeFi protocols. It operates on various networks, giving investors the freedom to choose the loan requests they wish to fund. Clearpool serves as a bridge between institutional borrowers and lenders. These lenders contribute their digital assets to individual borrower pools. They have full control over the borrower they lend to and their risk exposure, which they can assess by reviewing borrower profiles. Lenders can earn higher interest rates and returns by providing unsecured institutional liquidity to higher-risk borrower pools. To participate with Clearpool as a borrower or lender, users must own C-Pool tokens. Borrowers set up their borrower pool, and financial institutions determine the interest rates for each borrower pool through the Clearpool Oracle network. Lenders can then stake their C-Pool tokens to a specific pool, earning interest on their staked tokens. Clearpool initiates blockchain technology crypto lending by creating single borrower pools. Risks are evaluated based on borrowers' profiles and the credit market, enabling potential lenders to assess the total value potential for their investments. Clearpool launched in early 2022 with 3 liquidity pools from FBG Capital, Wintermute, and Folkwang. In 2024, Clearpool has introduced term pools, credit vaults, a new chain, fintech borrowers, and a new user interface. Looking ahead, its decentralized credit marketplace will further evolve, featuring multi-chain growth, detailed credit report availability, the second version of Clearpool Prime, a new staking model, exchange-traded pools, and other enhancements. Clearpool has a market cap of $275 million right now. A market cap of at least $35 billion is doable this bull run, and is a 127x from here. As our next RWA project, we would like to highlight Origin Trail. Origin Trail is a platform that uses both a blockchain and a technology called a Decentralized Knowledge Graph, DKG, to manage data about real-world assets in the digital space. The design of its ecosystem is to improve the discoverability of important, shared knowledge across the world. Origin Trail was initially conceived as a solution to integrate the advanced capabilities of blockchain technology into the realm of supply chain logistics. The primary objective was to establish a reliable, decentralized hub for supply chain management where customers, manufacturers, and suppliers could share critical data and track the entire product journey securely and transparently. As the project evolved, the scope of Origin Trail expanded beyond supply chain logistics to include the digitization of any real-world asset. Consequently, Origin Trail now incorporates features that are reminiscent of other crypto projects such as VeChain, which is heavily focused on supply chain logistics, and Centrifuge, which is known for its work in the field of RWA tokenization. In addition to these features, the platform also addresses the prevalent issue of misinformation by meticulously verifying the source of all information before it is made available to users, thereby ensuring the integrity and accuracy of the data. In terms familiar to those in the crypto industry, the underlying blockchain of Origin Trail serves as its Layer 1, while the decentralized knowledge graph functions as its Layer 2. This unique combination effectively harnesses the trustless and verifiable nature of blockchain technology, with the robust data representation capabilities of a DKG, to create a complex yet logical and functional system. The data representation includes the origin of the data, which is critical for ensuring transparency and trust. Looking towards the future, Origin Trail is continually evolving to include artificial intelligence in its data management processes, to further enhance its capabilities. The team behind the project is also proactively working on scaling its operations to cater to a larger user base and handle more data. Finally, the Trace token, TRAC, which serves as Origin Trail's utility token, is used for multiple purposes within the platform. Users can stake TRAC tokens, pay for the publication of data known as knowledge assets, and set collateral on the DKG network nodes. TRAC currently has a market cap of $300 million. We predict that TRAC will have a market cap of at least $30 billion in the future. That is a 100x from here. Project number 6 is the leading DeFi project on the Solana ecosystem, called Drift Protocol. Drift is a decentralized exchange designed for perpetual swaps trading, running on the Solana blockchain. Perpetual swaps are a type of derivative that allows traders to bet on the future price of an asset without actually owning it. Drift Protocol uses a virtual automated market maker model, which differs from traditional AMMs, by using a virtualized liquidity pool to manage trades. This approach reduces slippage and improves capital efficiency, making it more effective for high-frequency trading. Drift aims to offer an advanced, user-friendly platform for traders looking to leverage DeFi tools. The protocol features cross-margin trading, allowing users to manage multiple positions with a single margin account. Additionally, Drift integrates with Serum, a decentralized order book on Solana, to provide deeper liquidity and a better trading experience. To enhance user experience and minimize costs, Drift benefits from Solana's high-speed, low-cost blockchain. The platform is designed to be highly efficient, offering low latency and negligible transaction fees compared to other blockchains like Ethereum. Drift also incorporates a robust risk management framework to protect traders and the platform. The system includes mechanisms like dynamic funding rates, which adjust based on market conditions to balance long and short positions. A key aspect of Drift is its focus on decentralization and community governance. The platform is governed by the Drift DAO, where token holders can vote on key decisions, such as changes to protocol parameters or the addition of new features. Drift Protocol's utility token, Drift, plays a central role in the platform's ecosystem. It is used for governance, staking, and as collateral for trading. Stakers earn a share of the platform's fees, creating an incentive for users to hold and stake their tokens. This design aligns the interests of the community with the long-term success of the platform. Overall, Drift Protocol is a comprehensive decentralized trading platform that combines advanced financial tools with the benefits of DeFi. Drift has a market cap of $250 million. We think that a market cap of $25 billion is possible in 2025 for the leading DeFi project on Solana. That is a 100x from here. For our 7th project, we'll explore AlienBase, an emerging DeFi project on Base Chain. AlienBase is a decentralized trading platform bringing efficient, secure, and fast DeFi trading to the Base blockchain. It aggregates liquidity across the network, allowing users to trade tokens with minimal slippage and optimized routing, reducing costs and improving transaction speed. The platform's interface resembles a centralized exchange, making it accessible to both novice and experienced traders who want a familiar feel with the benefits of decentralization. AlienBase's native token, ALB, has a maximum supply of 510 million and supports the ecosystem through governance options, staking rewards, and liquidity incentives. The staking model offers attractive annualized returns to encourage long-term holder engagement. An advanced escrowed version, SALB, rewards long-term commitment through time-based vesting. The platform's staking pools currently hold significant TVL, indicating growing user adoption and trust. To support developers, AlienBase provides various tools, including a streamlined token generator for quick token deployment and liquidity pool creation. It also offers customizable yield farming options and automated trading strategies to help projects manage liquidity and boost user engagement. The platform's Epsilon technology enables efficient swaps by routing transactions through the safest and most cost-effective paths. For yield-seeking users, AlienBase offers farming and staking options to maximize returns. Security is paramount, with rigorous contract audits, time locks, and multi-sig wallets protecting user assets. AlienBase aims to become a leading DeFi hub on the Base network, offering robust trading options, easy liquidity generation, and a thriving ecosystem for both traders and developers. AlienBase currently has a market cap of $25 million. We believe that AlienBase has the potential to reach a market cap of at least $8 billion in the future. That is a mind-blowing 320x from here. As our final project, we would like to present ARC on the Solana ecosystem. ARC, AI Rig Complex, is a groundbreaking decentralized platform that merges advanced artificial intelligence with blockchain technology to reshape how cloud-based systems operate. The project's primary goal is to provide an open-source framework that empowers developers, businesses, and individuals to integrate AI-driven solutions into their existing infrastructures seamlessly. The ARC ecosystem is built on the concept of handshakes, customized AI agreements between users and AI agents. These handshakes facilitate automated, intelligent interactions for a wide range of applications, from business workflows to personal assistance. ARC's handshake system ensures that users retain ownership of their data and maintain control over their interactions with AI agents, offering a secure, user-centric experience. This model prioritizes transparency and personalization, which sets it apart from traditional AI services. The ARC tokenomics model is designed to fuel the platform's economy. The native ARC token powers the network by enabling users to access AI services, participate in governance, and incentivize contributions to the ecosystem. The token supply is limited to ensure long-term value and sustainability. ARC operates on a decentralized infrastructure to ensure security, transparency, and scalability. By removing the reliance on centralized servers, ARC empowers users with greater autonomy over their data and interactions. The platform also aims to democratize AI by making powerful AI tools accessible to developers of all levels, promoting innovation and collaboration. ARC currently has a market cap of $300 million. We predict that ARC will have a market cap of at least $40 billion in 2025. That is a 133x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.